Mathematics is the queen of sciences and arithmetic is the queen of all mathematics, was said by Gauss. The following are a few important characteristics of mathematics. Answer: structure, prescience, abstractness. Brahmasputa Siddhanta was written by Brahmagupta. Siddhanta Shiromani was written by Bhaskaracharya. The famous Ramanujan number is 1729. Who discovered that any odd number, say 2n plus 1, can be expressed as the difference of two squares, that is n plus 1 whole square minus n square? Pythagoras. Mathematics is the only subject that encourages and develops logical thinking. It enables the students to discriminate between essentials and non-essentials, was stated by. Answer: Young. Next question. Who made the rule that a ruler and pair of compasses only should be used for geometric constructions? Answer: Plato. Next question. The discovery of zero was a gift to the world of mathematics. This gift was given by. Answer: Hindus. Next question. One of the outstanding characteristics of scientific culture is quantification. Mathematics therefore assume a prominent position in modern education, was stated by. Answer: Kothari Commission. Next question. The set of books, The Elements, was written by. Answer: Euclid. Next question. Who is the father of modern mathematics? Answer: René Descartes.